This is the Lunette Menstrual Cup in orange. It comes in a wide variety of colors and 2 different sizes. It is a really great eco-friendly way to handle your period, holds plenty, and you can wear it up to 12 hours. It's very easy to use. You just pinch it and then you can fold it into like a C and insert it. And like I said, really easy. Pops right out once it's inserted. I've had mine and I've been using it for about 10 cycles now, and it still pretty much looks good as new. You also need to sanitize it, so I do boil it before and after my cycle, so I'm going to do that now. And I use a whisk to keep it from kind of touching the edges and or being like not submerged enough. And you really want to make sure that it doesn't warp. But it's super easy to do.